Hello, teacher. My name is Suha Oda, and this is assignment number 3. Today, I'm going to talk about Apache installation and the web server on Ubuntu. Let's start with the outlines. Actually, I'm going to talk how Apache is the installation and run, and then set up a public HTML folder for all users, and then I will create simple. First, I think we have to create simple web page, and then we'll talk about the public HTML folder. A change and display. At the end, I will talk about the source of tutorial that I used. Objective, it's to understand how the web server installed and work. It starts with the web server installation, Apache. After we open the terminal, I use these commands. First, we have to update the package and enter the password, and then install Apache 2. I have here, after the installation, I can tell it's active, the running it successfully downloaded, and then yeah, it's successfully active. I wanted to do the local host. Actually, the local host is here. So this is the simple web page I created. And when I test it, if it's working or not, using HTTP localhost and open it. So it says, this is the web page that I created. Successful, your domain virtual host is doing now. Yeah, so after we finished and we created a web page and I tested the web page, which was successfully created. These are the steps that I use. I start the Apache service, enable Apache to start in the boot, and I check the status of Apache. Also, I enabled firewall in the system. Now, I want to talk about configure public HTML for users. So we have to, I use these commands I'll show you in the Ubuntu. Configuring public HTML for all users. Let's start the permission director for the user. Now this I have the command, it's ready. Okay, I have to enter the password for this one to enable it, and then go to the nano to see if this or can. Let's do this again. Yeah. Okay, so we already have this on nano. That's good. And then I want to create HTML. Let's try this command. Sometimes some commands are not working, but I have another alternative. Yeah, this one, for example, is not working for me. Let's do something like this. Yeah, so this file is already exists because I created it before. I just want to show you how it's the folder is created. So let me try first the folder. Okay, so this is a public HTML folder, and then so I set some folder this folder. Test. First I'm gonna restart Apache, and then we'll test the page. Okay. So configure your web server to use the public HTML folder to all users and create simple web page and use a public directory. I had some errors first, and then I fixed it because of the permission. I give permission to the user to see or browse this web page, which is it works. Okay, let me open it to this I just wrote it works in this web page. So this one is successfully work, and then let's go to the next question. I think it's created a file or change to the user public directory and display the content of the directory and display the hAccess file. Okay, let's do that. Okay, let's display the content of the directory and see. I already created Apache access file, and let's first see if we have it. Okay, then total is 8. That means we have files. Let's try this command. Access the file. Okay, that means we don't have it. Sometimes we have errors, but we need to fix these. This one, I need to access just the file. It's not such a file. It's annoying sometimes to create. Okay, I have this file here. Maybe I have to write something inside this file. Okay, I want to open browser and display the index HTML. I created many commands. I paused the video so it will be shorter and easier uh, to see the result at the end. So now after that, I have to check if this works, the local host or the IP. Let's open my browser. I tried it before many times. Let's try now. This one says it's successful. It says that it's successful. Let's try local host. It took me a long time to success actually. Yeah, it's the same one, the local host and the IP address, the same one of the web design that I created. I used Nano actually to create it. Let's go back to the presentation here. Configure public HTML. I already did that. Here is my workouts as well. And creating a simple page. I use Nano to add this page. I created actually many pages and use a command to see all the pages that I created. I will add this command now. Yeah, so I created these website as well. These simple pages. I use this command to see these pages. Oh, hello. Okay, let's do it again. Yeah, that's correct. That's also the command. Let's go back to the presentation. We're creating simple page. I already did all of this. Now, configuration, the server, change the public HTML directory, simple, and display the content as well. And I created access as well. And here is the website, display the website. At the end, Apache server is successfully installed. I learned how to install, download Apache, and created an image, which is interesting and very easy, but it took me long to understand this one. Something we have to learn. The reference that I use is DigitalOcean. And I use, of course, AI ChatGPT for the commands to also to correct the errors that I have during the installation. That's all. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much.